To begin the assembly of Tigerpak's pallet truck, firstly remove the split pin as seen here. Now remove the pivot shaft assembly and set aside. Install the lift handle into the body of the pallet truck and guide the pivot shaft back through as shown. Now reinstall the split pin. We can now feed the link chain back through the handle, making sure to pass through the opening in the center of the shaft. Attach the link chain onto the release lever as shown, and tighten the retaining nut until firmly secured. Lower the lift handle to release the locking pin as shown. You can now let the handle raise to its upright position. You are now ready to use your Tigerpak pallet truck.